I almost wonder if Silas is out grooming the trail today. I would be willing to bet Silas is out. So when you start seeing drag marks like that, keep that in mind. You know, that's not natural there. So a lot of times you see marks like that, that means that the groomer is not far ahead. There he is. I think. Yeah, I just trashed it all. It's perfectly ready for you to do again.
Oh, and it's all good. Yeah, we're gonna try to sweep the brush over the brush more this evening or whatever. So.
Tonight?
I don't know. It depends what time I get back. Julie wants to get it on.
How long does this take you to make the return trip?
It takes about 6 hours, 7 hours going in, and then about maybe 4.5 to 4 hours going out. Because you're not going.
Really? Okay.
So I've done everything. Hard light trail's all done. The whole 45, all that's all done.
Okay.
Done. Now I'm just making it, it'll be easy going back to Conroe. So.
Okay. Yeah, I'll let you get back to that.
All right, good deal.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Hey,
yep. So there we go. That funny looking four-wheeler is what keeps the trails in some semblance of shape. I don't know if the mic caught what he was saying. He said it takes him like 7 hours this way to run from basically County K. At least I believe. I could be wrong, but it takes him 7 hours to go this way, and the return trip's between 3 and 4. He said, because you're not cutting as hard. So that's our buddy Silas. Yeah, look at this. Look at how fresh this is. It's a nice brown ribbon. Nice brown ribbon, not in like a freshly used wad of toilet paper, right there. You're welcome for that visual, my friends.